Lots of snow, lots of snow everywhere, and for years people are telling me how to make snow cones, but never really attempted to do it. So I guess there's a first time for everything. So I'm gonna try and make one today. The snow is so powdery and it's a perfect snow cone material or ingredients, I guess. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so I'm gonna scoop snow. This is actually the cleanest part. So let's see. I'm gonna scoop that. So here goes snow cone. So I'm going to make my snow cone as simple as possible because this is the first time I'm making it. And I'm going to put a little Asian twist to it. We have in my country a dessert, especially during the summer, that we call halo-halo, which is translated in English roughly, it means mix mix. And with what available ingredients I have the condensed milk right here and some mandarin oranges, my favorite. Yum. So we're gonna make this into a halo-halo concoction, also known as my version of snow cone. So here it goes. So now, of course, the last thing we need to do is test the product. So here it goes. It tastes so good. You should try it.